Hi, welcome to my channel and Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2025 and today I'm going to show you how to make a tuna candle for emergency survival. Now, you can get any kind of tuna. Just make sure it's not the tuna in water. It has to be the tuna in oil. It could be preferably in vegetable oil or in olive oil in some cases. So any brand will do. Just make sure it's in oil. Take something like an ice pick, some sharp object, right in the center of the can. You're going to want to make a hole. Like so. Take a paper towel and cut out. It's a little breezy out here today, so bear with me. Cut out a strip from the paper towel. This will be your fuse. Roll this as tightly as you can. Like so. Place it down. Let's get it a little bit smaller. Place it down into the tuna can. Now what you're wanting to do here is you're wanting to get the paper towel wick down into the vegetable oil. Let it absorb the vegetable oil, and what it's going to do is it's going to use that as its fuel. Now over time it will fully absorb up into the wick, and sometimes you can light it with just a dry wick, and you know, I can already tell it's starting to get there. I'll help it out just a little bit. As you can tell, that's snug. There's no oil dripping out at all. But it is seeping into the wick itself. I've got oil on my hands. So let's go ahead and try to light our tuna candle, survival candle. And there we go. Now this emergency candle alone will burn for between 2 and 3 hours. So if you're ever in a situation where you need to make some sort of an emergency candle, and you don't have any candles, and you don't have anything really to use for a candle, as long as you have a can of tuna in vegetable oil or in olive oil, you can make a simple 2 to 3 hour lasting survival candle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope everybody has a very happy 2025, and I'll see you next time.